Zonal Education Officer ZEO of Ziribam initiated the opening of a school at Bidyanagar multi-purpose sports complex to accommodate students seeking refuge near amidst the current crisis. The school, located within the sports complex, was inaugurated by Zonal Education Officer T.H. Amurashi Chanu. Addressing the gathering, ZEO T.H. Amurashi Chanu stated that the newly established school will be overseen by one headmaster and staff with 23 teachers, serving a total of 98 students across classes 1 to 8. Classes are scheduled to commence from tomorrow in two sections, morning and afternoon. Students in classes 1 and 4 will attend from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., while classes for students in grades 5 to 8 will be held from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m.
Ngasi Bidyanagar Multipurpose Sports Complex Indoor Hall the Hangiba Relief Camp Asida Lairiba Inmates Sahum gi mathakta laiba Relief Camp Asida Shelter Lauriba School Zatliba Angang Sing Mahairoi Gidamakta ngasi school ama temporary makeshift classroom ama hangbagi akhina thaurang tawjari haiba thabak asi akhoi Directorate of School Education gi instruction makha da pakhet jabani amasung akhoi respected Sir DC Ziribam Sri Krishna Kumar gi miyeng makha da pakhet jaba thabak ni angang sing si mahi masing tamdana matam Changna, Haibadi Irang, as he Karamba Matam the Loigadavano, Haibangam, the Banamaram Banina, Angang Singina, Larik Tamdana, Sumlay Basida Mako, the emotional trauma, Yum Gay May Tabiki Bagi Awaba, Sigimatakta, Nauriba Wakanda, Mako the Power, the one white of a Dugi Yangaga, the Hakta Orobasu, Kona regular school gi, Mawanga, timetable Semaga, schooling Tamhanba Ngamdrasu. Karada Orobasu, Akwegi, Zonal Education Office na, Sinzaraga, Akwegi, Ozamayam, Haiba, Angang Sing Sigidamakta volunteer to be there.